In this video we will talk about effective lower back pain treatment. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel to be notified when we upload new videos daily. Lower back pain is one of the commonest problems afflicting people around the world at some point of time in their life. In the initial stages of pain, stretching exercises work effectively as lower back pain treatment. The lower back supports the upper body and allows the body to turn, twist, bend, lift and walk. It plays a very important role in mobility. The lower back takes a lot punishment, as we tend to overuse or misuse it. There are many options available for lower back pain treatment, depending upon the problem. Medication and therapies for lower back pain treatment. The commonest lower back pain treatment in case of severe back pains is acetaminophen. It is an over-the-counter medicine for oral consumption. If the pain is very intense and chronic in nature, the doctor may prescribe additional oral medicines including non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, NSAIDs, muscle relaxants or opium-derived narcotic drugs, opioids. Alternative therapies may also be used for lower back pain treatment, as they are quite effective. These therapies are recommended by physicians when medication does not provide the desired relief. These therapies include manipulation, traction, acupuncture, massage or biofeedback. Manipulation involves adjusting the spinal vertebrae for alignment, while acupuncture involves inserting of very fine needles into certain specific points in the body, which are believed to be located on the channels that carry subtle life energy. If these methods do not provide with relief from pain, epidural steroid injections or anti-inflammatory medicines are directly introduced to the spine to control pain. Lower back pain treatment may also include surgical procedure. Problems related to alignment of the spine and other degenerative disc problems may require surgical treatment. Spinal fusion surgery is the standard surgical procedure for degenerative discs. The damaged disc is removed from the spine, and replaced by a device filled with bone pieces taken from the patient's hip bone. Now, the hip bone option is replaced by a genetically engineered protein called infused bone graft. However, the best lower back pain treatment is regular exercise coupled with a healthy diet. I hope you found some useful information and tips. I look forward to hearing from you. Warning: none of the information on our videos is a substitute for a diagnosis and treatment by your health professional.